Next up today in the Steel City Break Room, you got a box of 2015 Topps Museum and a box 2012 Playoff Prime Cuts getting out the Brad. Let's start off first with the Prime Cuts. Thanks again for breaking with us. Good luck to you, Brad. Here we go. Let's get something good out of here. Okay, first card, we have an autograph, Chris Archer. That is numbered 36 of 199. Next card, jersey swatch of Willie McCovey. Numbered 37 of 44. And the third card, Bat Relic Lefty Williams. That is 18 of 99. Lefty Williams, Bat Relic. Alright, let's get to Museum. We'll take that one any day. I think Chris Archer's been doing pretty good so far this summer. Alright, first pack here out of Museum. We have a Ryan Howard parallel, Tony Gwynn, Cal Ripken Jr., Mike Piazza, and autograph Anthony Ronaldo, numbered 3 of 5. Anthony Ronaldo, 3 of 5 autograph. Alright, next up, Roger Clemens parallel, Miguel Cabrera, Michael Taylor, Eric Hosmer, and a jumbo swatch of Billy Hamilton, 20 of 50. Billy Hamilton jumbo jersey. Alright, and the next pack, Anthony Rendon parallel, Joe DiMaggio, Reggie Jackson, Bryce Harper canvas collection, and then we have an Aroldis Chapman quad jersey. Got a pinstripe and a little bit, there might be a patch on the top left. 92 of 99 on that one, Aroldis Chapman. And final pack, we have Albert Pujols out of 199, Roberto Clemente, Roger Clemens, Max Scherzer, And finishing off, Mike Napoli autographed dual jersey. And that is out of 299 right there, Mike Napoli. All right, nice couple boxes there for you, Brad. Thanks again for breaking today.